You're a sight for sore eyes, buddy.
We have made it.
I'm so happy we made it. Finally.
After going through all of that, we finally found a dirt path. Oh my God, thank God. We finally made it onto the AT, thank God. No.
Alright, we're tracking now. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off my phone.
Alright. Any words of encouragement? We got this.
Yeah, I'm just happy we're on the trail. And hopefully we can make it to our campsite. It's gonna be super late.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, there's no shelter there, which kind of sucks. We have to pitch our tent and pitch black. We'll see. Or we proceed on and go to the next shelter. We'll figure it out. But we got this. Like Cody says, light work.
Peace.
Bye.
All right.
Oh, that sucks. That shelter going that way is closed.
It is?
Well, it's going that way. Oh. I wonder why.
Let's get a good look at this.
Woo!
Oh my God.
We made it. This must be right here. The border.
Seth Warner has been moved 2.7 from the former location now. All right. We made it to the border.
Massachusetts.
Vermont, Massachusetts.
Yay!
Onward. Very muddy. Ooh.
Somebody walked through here not too long ago.
My shoes are soaked right now. Going through that thing. Welcome to Massachusetts. Oh my God. 1.3 for the. All right. All right. All right. All right. Ooh, that's all on my shoe. So currently, this is the problem we're dealing with. Big puddles. So our feet are soaked. Gosh, it is very foggy, as you can probably see. But there she is, going up. Very foggy day. Alrighty. Just wanted to show what's going on. Peace. We have reached a nice little, what is this, river? Stream, river. Very nice. Keeps on going.
We've done like 3 miles.
Yeah. Well, we only done 3 miles. Horrible.
And it's 3:29.
3:29, 3 miles.
So we got like 12.
It's been very wet.
Very slippery.
Very slippery. Yeah, Mom fell.
Cody lost his.
I watched her. It was like a slow fall, but it was like she was like sliding. It was like she had no grip on her toes. But
And then Cody dropped his bar and ate.
oh, that was like 5 minutes ago. But yeah, I dropped my bar.
It was good though, right?
No, the bar was really good.
Tasty.
Where
Alright,
did-
let's
Tasty,
go
what the
before you
heck?
get bit by a mosquito. It's right by you.
All right, well, we out.
Get out. Make sure you buckle your belt.
Oh.
We just came out of the mountains over there somewhere. Down there. Yeah.
Starting to drizzle again.
It's gonna rain again. We just got dry. We're going up this way. 1958. I guess that's when this was built. Let's do it.
Train tracks are down there.
Yeah, there's some train tracks down here. I wonder if they're still used. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe not. We don't know.
Trains come through here.
They do? How do you know?
There's a red light down there. I'm guessing that's the railroad crossing.
Ah, Cody saw the red light. So they do. Alright, we're heading back on trail. Where we go, nobody knows.
Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam?
Uncle Sam. My boy.
Cody found a sticker. He got a nice chest on him. Oh, look, there's water down there. Pretty cool. Let's go check it out.
Yes,
Look at all the pretty flowers on the ground. Alright. We don't think we're going to make it to camp, unfortunately, because our little detour earlier, which kind of sucks. We're going a little slower because everything's so wet and slippery, which sucks some more.
Yeah, there's a big water source down there.
But we're making the best of it. Right, Cody?
Yes, ma'am.
We're trying our best. We don't know where we're going to stop, but we're going to keep on going.
Oh, damn, they were going over a bridge, over water.
Oh, let's check this out.
Oh, this is how you get to the railroad track. Oh, my God.
We're going into a little town, and I think we got to go over this big-ass mountain. I'm a little scared, only because it's wet. Everything's so wet and slippery. But, oh, look at this. They got all their handprints. Man, I don't have no paint. I can't do a handprint. Good to know for next time. Me and Cody put our handprints, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna say we're heading up that mountain that's fogged up. Wish us luck. I'll be back when we're back. No handprint, but our name. Let's go.